Changing your payout method on CactusTV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the CactusTV website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the homepage or in the main menu. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Payout Options. Click on this to view your current payout methods and available options. Step 4. Update your payout method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page to confirm your new payment preferences. Once you've completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. Make sure to check back to ensure everything is set correctly for your future transactions.